I feel like a kid in a candy store today. Trust me, these sneakers are fire. What's up guys, hope you're having an amazing day, hope you're having an amazing Sunday. Today we're going to have a look at a sneaker that I actually slept on for quite a while. I knew it was around, I knew it was there, I knew it was bubbling up, and finally I have got the first silhouette of this sneaker in my sneaker rotation. So let's take a look. So what is up guys, hope you're having an amazing Sunday, hope you're having an amazing weekend, hope your weekend's going great. Today we're having a look at a sneaker, at a review of a sneaker, my first silhouette. This time it is a silhouette I actually slept on for all this time, and finally I've got it in hand. I'm giving more respect to this sneaker because damn, this sneaker is fire. But before we go and look at it, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me, let's have a conversation, let's break it down, because it's important that you guys cop the sneakers you like and you guys cop them for retail. But today's sneaker we're looking at is, hey presto, it is the Air Trainer 1 SP Coriander. So let's do this right and let's do this properly, because it's the first time I've got the Air Trainer 1 in my rotation, and it's the first time I'm going to actually review the Air Trainer 1 or have it in my Instagram feeds, because this sneaker is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. And we have to talk about the history before we look at this box and before we look at the sneaker and talk about all the other bits like resale, retail, and all the little bits that go with it. But today, the history on the Air Trainer 1, this Air Trainer 1 first released in 1987. This was designed by the one, the only Tinker Hatfield. What a genius, what an amazing designer who thought that Tinker could bring and revolutionize the game, and he has done that in the 80s, in the 90s, and going into all the Jordan and Nike ranges. Let's talk about the sneaker when it first released. The first release I think was the Chlorophylls that actually released in 1987, and John McEnroe wore these in 1986 as a prototype because he asked Nike for something unique, something different, something that was going to cut above the rest, and they gave him the Air Trainer 1 behind Tinker's back, mind you, because Tinker Hatfield had no knowledge that John McEnroe was going to wear those Air Trainer 1s on court. And then Bo Jackson phenomenon happened with the Air Trainer, and then it just escalated from there in terms of the Air Trainer. It is a sneaker I've been sleeping on, and finally I have it in hand, because this is a gorgeous silhouette, and I'm gonna get more of these. Trust me, this Coriander variation is amazing, it's phenomenal, and it's something that the bro put me on. Go and follow Mr. Miller on Instagram. He's doing amazing things there, and bless you bro, because you actually put me onto this sneaker, because I was in second mind to actually get it. I was like 50-50 whether I was gonna pick it up or actually just let it go, and I'm glad I actually picked this up and got this in hand, because this is beautiful. Trust me, this is beautiful. So let's look at this box before we go and take a look at that sneaker, because this box is gorgeous, like it always is. A Nike all black box with that glowy shiny Nike Air or Nike at the front of it, and it's all black as in terms of where it looks like. It's got Nike on every single panel here. Nike, and then you got that tag. There you go guys, that's what you should be looking for. That's what should be coming in that box. And the tag reads Air Trainer 1 SP Coriander Slate Wheat Asian. I don't know what Asian is, but it's Asian. But the coriander look is actually from the coriander powder. It looks like coriander, trust me guys. And the code should be DH7338300. That's the code you should be looking for. You should be looking for that barcode and all the little bits that go with this, and obviously you should be looking for all that writing on the bottom of that box, because that's what it is, that's what it should be. And inside you should see that indented Nike, and just basically some ticks there. Look, you can see that's got like this blue stamp there. It's got little tags here and there, and this paper. Look at that paper, that's got Nike all over it. As you can see, if you can't see, I'll pull it back a bit. You can see Nike is all over this paper. It's one side's waxy, one side's just normal paper, and there's nothing else in the box. I can't see a cube quality check code or anything like that, but that's the box you should be looking for. So let's take a look at this phenomenal sneaker. It's sneaker time, so hey presto, bang, there you go guys. This is the Nike Air Trainer 1 SP Coriander. As you can see from this sneaker, it's got this coriander color from the coriander powder. Like I said, the coriander color all the way through. It's got so many different materials and aesthetics to this, so let's try and break this down slowly. You've got that canvas toe, that wheat, that looks like a greeny wheat canvas toe. Then you've got the coriander nubuck that runs through this. I think it's nubuck, it feels like nubuck, it could be leather, but it definitely feels like nubuck that runs through this. And you've got this lateral panel that's different to the actual toe that runs through this, and then you've got the lateral medial panels that overlay, and then that leather at the back. Look at that leather on the back with that Nike Air at the back. Gorgeous when you see that Nike Air at the back, absolutely beautiful. That Nike Air is like a bluey, wavy bluey, or ocean blue Nike Air. Look at that, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then the way different meshing on this, the lateral medial meshing, and it's like this iridescent, as you can see, it's like this iridescent meshing. I'm gonna try and get that. It goes from yellow to blue to green to red at one point. It's so unique. It's like a trade. It almost feels like it's a all-round weatherproof like sneaker. It's not going, you can rain on this, you can snow on this, you can trek through this. It is almost like a trek sneaker. Like when I was having a conversation with a girlfriend, I showed it to her and she was like, wow, it looks amazing. It looks really like it's a utility sneaker, absolute utility sneaker. And I love the tag and the tongue on this. You can actually pull this forwards, put your sneaker in, block yourself in, and then this strap is totally different with the normal Air Trainers, but this is like a utility strap. Look, ocean blue plastic speckles all the way through it. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. And this orange strap is just locks you in. Like, one thing I didn't mention is the Air Trainer 1 is designed to be the Swiss Army sneaker of all the sneakers. You can wear this in the gym, you can wear this on the basketball court, you can wear this to play football, you can wear this to do everything and anything in, because this is Tinker's inspiration. I know, like, let's talk about Tinker, because he had some really amazing ideas with the Air Max 1, with the Jordans, with the Jordan 3, with this Air Trainer 1, because everybody was poo-pooing that Air Max 1, and everybody was basically saying that you are going to take sales away from other sneakers when this utility sneaker, and he did it, and it absolutely is phenomenal because it took off. He's a genius, absolute genius. Tinker Hatfield, I take my hat off to you because it is amazing. This guy is absolutely phenomenal, and he created another masterpiece of a sneaker. This sneaker you could actually wear to the gym, you can do anything with, and I'm probably going to wear this as a utility sneaker to do pretty much everything in, because you can pretty much weatherproof this sneaker to a point where you can use this anywhere, because this is gorgeous. I like the mid to high cut, I like the fabrics on this, I like the 3M that runs through this material. This is an absolutely gorgeous sneaker. Normally the strap is not this fabric strap, and I forgot to mention, look at that Nike tick, fabric Nike tick that runs it with that 3M underlay. It is so gorgeous. You got ticks everywhere on this sneaker. You got tick there at the back, you got tick, another tick there, you got another Nike tick there, you got another Nike symbol there. This is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So this is the first Air Trainer 1 SP to release. This is the Coriander. I can't wait for that honeydew, I can't wait for that dark grey smoke, because those two are gorgeous. As part of the pack, it has to come with this and the pack, because I want all three of those sneakers because they look absolutely gorgeous with that tribal print. And there's something about this with the 3M that hits this sneaker. Absolutely beautiful sneaker. And then there you go guys, there's a sole, that little Nike there somewhere, there you go, that Nike on the sole as well. Beautiful traction on this. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then I keep forgetting, there's so much to this sneaker. Look at that ocean blue inner lining for that tongue, and then the orange laces. This is just like, how crazy is this sneaker? I'm talking crazy beautiful, crazy beautiful. This is the first time I'm getting an Air Trainer in hand, and I'm loving it. I need more of these. I have slept on this and I'm woken up. I'm not gonna be sleeping anymore. Trust me, the Air Trainer 1, absolutely gorgeous. I'm waiting for the 2, maybe the 3. I want to see more of these Air Trainers, and hopefully they do more and more releases, because obviously it is the anniversary of the Air Trainer. So I want to see more sneakers. I want to see more utility sneakers. I want to see more of those OG sneakers. I'm looking for the Medicine Ball 3. Hopefully there's other sneakers I need to pick up. This is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Like I normally do in this channel, I'm going to give you that front perspective, I'm going to give you that back perspective, that lateral side, that medial side, and that sole. Look at that sole, absolutely gorgeous. And then we're going to give it that rotation, that 360-degree rotation. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pair of sneakers. And thank you, bro, thank you, Mr. Miller, for giving me the insight to this Air Trainer 1. Absolutely beautiful, guys, absolutely beautiful. Now let's talk about retail, resale. Let's talk about all the little bits. This sneaker at the moment you can actually get, they're actually sitting online, but who cares? Trust me, who cares when they make a beautiful sneaker like this? But I know some of you guys don't like it. Some of you guys actually don't prefer this variation, and you prefer the other variations that are coming out. So look out for them, because they will be releasing in 2022. And this sneaker at the moment is sitting, is not doing much, is not doing a lot, but who cares? Because when you can pick up and go into the shop and pick up a gorgeous, gorgeous sneaker like this, then guys, you need to just do it sometimes. Because I don't care if sneakers sit, I don't care if sneakers sell out, I would always go and pick up the sneakers that I like. And trust me, that's what I advise you guys, to go and pick up the sneakers you like and you want to wear on feet, because the Corianders are going on feet hopefully soon, and they are absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pair. I'm waiting for the honeydews, I'm waiting for the dark smoke greys, because they actually look really, really good. And I'm waiting for some more of these Air Trainer 1s to come out, so I can actually get some more in my rotation, because I don't know why I was sleeping, and that was a big mistake. Trust me, that was a big, big mistake. But the retail is actually doing fine. They're still sitting on store. Resale is not much, so I'm not worried about resale at the moment. Like, just forget it. Just go and buy the sneaker if you want it, and then look out for the other models when they come out, because I think they'll do similar to this actual Coriander SP variation of the Air Trainer 1, and those are the utility versions. So I'm looking forward to that. Similar in vein to the Coriander, with the tribal print, with everything else. But you know, I need the other two to match the 3-pack collection for this sneaker, because this is a gorgeous, gorgeous sneaker. I'm like a little boy in a candy shop. Trust me, this is gorgeous, this is amazing. And thank you for tuning in for the review. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for always coming back and supporting. So from me, TJ at LoveKicksCustom, hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ at LoveKicksCustom, peace out, guys.